Sage Forsaken here, taking a look at Oritoys Acid Rain. So these are not figures you're going to find in the local store. These figures are collectible figures you usually have to order off the internet. All the art from these figures is owned by Big Bad Toy Store as far as I know, or Acid Rain, the company that made them. Either way, these are not my photos. Now, these line of figures start as low as $30 and go way up from there, but they have awesome articulation. They have some weathering on them that you just don't see with other figure lines. And when they do have vehicles, that's what they transform. Most of them look like a mech or some other type of vehicle that switches into a mech. So you're going to see a bunch of those as we go. Things like this astronaut. He fell down from Earth, I guess, after the apocalypse, and this is all he had to wear. You have things like these vehicle sets and bases that just are massive and cool. And I really love the aesthetic. So, each figure comes with different parts so that you can kind of make them look a little different, even though they are the same figure. So if you had two or three of these in line, they wouldn't have to look exactly the same. And looking at the figures, you can tell that they really do pay attention to detail on the weathering as well as the materials used. These are just really detailed sculpts. You're going to love these, and even if you're like a core collector, just imagine what some of those new core figures are going to look like if you painted them up like the Acid Rain figures. If you're not interested in paying $30 for a figure, though, it's something you need to steer clear of because these figures start as low as $30. Even though they're super cool, there is part of me that says this is just too much money to be spending on a 4-inch figure. But look, as you can see, they do come with a lot of accessories and other things to speak for themselves. They come with a plastic carrying case, things of that nature, that you just don't get with other figures anymore at the lower price points. Anyway, this is Sage Forsaken. I hope you've liked this look at Ori Toys Acid Rain. Like and subscribe.